Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well, guys. Today I brought a video about smartphone, about a mobile app. If you want to use HungerStation, viewers, if you want to install Roadrunner app in your iOS, iPhone or Android device, how can you install in your smartphone? First of all, you can't find it in App Store or Google Play. You have to go to Google or Safari, whatever you have. Write in the Google Roadrunner iOS. Okay, then you will find the first link. Click on the first link and wait to open this page. Then just click on install. Okay, the vendor of this app is Delivery Hero. Okay, this is the way. The latest version is 14 March 2022, just released before 3 or 4 days ago. I'm recording video today. Just click on install and it's asking the permission. Just install it and it started downloading, and hold on, just let it complete. Meanwhile, you can go outside and you will find it's installing. You can see it's installing here. Okay, as you can see, viewers, it's installed now. Application, just click on it and you can see it's saying that untrusted enterprise developer. iOS is not recognizing its developer because we did not install it through App Store. So what to do, how to enable this in your devices? You have to go to settings, in your iPhone, and then viewers, you have to find here settings and then general. In general, you have to go the last one here, VPN and device management. Go to device management. You will find over here your that app we just installed now. Click on it, enterprise app actually. Click on it and you have to click on touch here, trust Volo Logistics UG. Okay, and this is verified. Trust it and trust. Okay, it's trusted. Now we will go back to the main screen. Click on it, Roadrunner, and you can see now there is no more error. It's showing and working fine. And you can go here, ask app, and you can allow it if you want to get notifications. Allow it. Okay, here this application is running now. You can proceed further, select your country, and you can use it in your mobile phone. If you are Android user, the same method it will apply, and trust the developer you can find in Android in setting mode. I will soon make a video to teach you how can you do it in your Android devices. Okay guys, hope you understand the method. If you have any question regarding this Roadrunner app or iPhone application, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.